I speak to you today not only as your Miss Grand International, but as a fellow human being who longs for peace in our world. Like many others, I have always dreamed of a home that is filled with love and compassion, and not one engulfed in flames and fear. A place where we are free to truly live and not merely survive as time slips away under the threat of violence. To the families who have lost their loved ones in the recent Thailand-Cambodia conflict, my heart is with you. May we remember their names, their dreams, and their humanity. And may their memory be a reminder to us all that peace is not a privilege, but a responsibility we owe to every soul still fighting to live in safety. And this is the message I want to convey. There should be no room for violence and war in this world. And it can only happen if we choose to. If only we don't let greed beat in our hearts, we will not be able to give birth to violence. And I strongly uphold this statement because everything lies in our hands. I hold this belief close because our hands were never meant to take lives or cause harm. They were meant to build, to heal, and to protect. Together, let us continuously repair the broken pieces of this world. And I hope the call for peace is not confined only in the corners of a plenary, but reaches across borders and into the hearts of all.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At finally is nagbigay na po ng kanyang mensahe, pahayag or nagsalita na po si CJ para dito sa nagaganap pa rin na conflict ng bansang Cambodia at Thailand dahil sa territorial conflict. So kasi marami ang nagsasabi at nangungumbinsi na dapat ay magbigay na siya ng kanyang pahayag dito sa nangyayaring sigalot sa dalawang bansa. Although nagkaroon na po ng ceasefire mga kapolitika, yung nai-report natin ay ngayon nagkaroon daw ng violation itong Cambodia sa kailang ceasefire rules or ceasefire agreement dahil nagpaputok pa rin sila. So ngayon naman isumupa na din naman yung tensyon. So base ito doon sa goal or advocacy ng Miss Grand International na Stop the War and Violence. Kasi merong nag-comment doon mga kapolitika sa ating post na as if naman makikinig itong Prime Minister ng dalawang bansa kahit pa manawagan itong sinawat. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na ganito yung platform ay sila na yung pupunta doon sa border at magsisigaw doon to stop the war and violence dahil ang Miss Grand International ay isang platform. So sa tingin po natin ang pinakainam ay idaan pa rin po sa diplomasya at peace talks itong nangyayaring sigalot dito sa conflict ng border dahil kawawa po ang mga civilian at wala pong nananalo when it comes to war. So samantala narito po si CJ dito sa Malaysia dahil sa Grand Coronation ng Miss Grand Malaysia. So I believe today is uwi na po si CJ dahil hanggang 31 lang siya ng July doon at may iba pa siyang mga appointment at mga activities. So abangan po natin yan. Pero nung nandito siya sa Malaysia mga kapolitika ay talagang mainit ang pagtanggap sa kanya at talagang pinagkaguluhan siya ng Malaysian doon sa Grand Coronation ng kanilang MGI Malaysia. So yun po ang mga update at mga activities ni CJ Opiasa dito sa bansang Malaysia kasama itong si Teresa. So ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa sinabi ni CJ ang kanyang panawagan, mensahe patungkol nga dito sa nangyari pa ring sigalot sa bansang Cambodia at sa bansang Thailand. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.